Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos, and in case you're new here, my name is Fatah Bukar. So today I am unboxing, guys. uh, Let me show you unboxing the gifts, okay, the shopping that I really made for my baby, guys. So okay, I just want to show you guys things I bought for my baby. So I bought my baby these clothes. Let me show you guys these t-shirts and shirts. Take a look. So I will show you one by one, okay? So guys, see, wow, so nice. So let me show you guys, okay? These are the things I bought my baby. One, yes, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, this is the price tag, guys. You can see the price tag here. Yeah, yes, yes, seven. Wow, so nice, right? Eight. Okay, nine. 10. So guys, these are the clothes that I bought for my baby Muhammad, my baby boy. And as I said, I'm waiting his toys, guys. So I ordered the toys and it's coming, okay? So once I receive the toy, the toys I will also be sharing with you, okay? So guys, I have a sore throat, so I don't know if you could hear for me. I am so sorry, guys, if my voice is not clear. So do me favor, okay, and bear with me, okay? So I was unboxing. If you just joined, guys, I was unboxing clothes that I bought my baby Muhammad, my baby boy. So today I did a shopping for him, as I have shared with you. Most of you, I think you know that, most of you have watched my live earlier in the day that I was talking about shopping for my baby. So guys, I think even you have seen what I was doing while I was in the the mall doing the shopping for the baby. But for those of you who really were curious to know about what I bought for my baby, these are the clothes that I bought for my baby boy Muhammad. And I think you have seen, guys, while I was unboxing. So I'm waiting for the toys to come, and soon toys will come for him to play. Yes, as you know, guys, Ramadan is going to end. Eid is approaching us, so I need for him to eat and enjoy and relax and play. Yes, that's what I want. So this video was all about, guys, unboxing the clothes that I bought for my baby Muhammad, to show you. I think you have seen, and share your comments in the comment section, okay? Yes, guys, okay? If you want to know also uh, you know where I bought these clothes, I'll be sharing with you. It's called Max, guys. I have seen in Southeast Asia countries also they have this Max. So it's really, they have a nice clothes, even the fabrics they made, it's really absolutely incredible, so soft, the cotton, silk, you can get so many variety of brands if you like. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for being my subscriber. If you are a return subscriber, thank you very much, you mean the world to me. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel share the video to your friends on social media platforms, and leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.